Babahetto. Hey everybody, good afternoon. Since Henry heard the sound of silence this morning and Joe said, where's Mr. Angel's version? I worked on lyrically changing it and wanted to presenting it to you in a low voice instead of a high voice because I can't sing in a high voice. I'm going to be looking at my computer screen here to see the words, so I won't be looking down here. I'll be looking up there. All right, here we go. Hello to you, to all my friends. It's nice to sing to you again. Because a vision of us sitting in a circle is so fitting. Playing trivia and hearing classic tunes. Hopefully in June we'll break the sound of silence. And in the circle that I saw, 9 people, maybe more. People ribbing and some joking. Some were drinking and some smoking. People laughing loud at stories always shared. No one cared to disturb the sound of silence. And we all vowed to stay until the neon sun did sway. And as the sand did blacken our toes, we barbecued with our bros. And the signs we wore on our t-shirts said very well that we're just swell. So goodbye to the sound of silence. Babahetto.